As I was taking some shots of the beautiful spring flowers in James Gardens, I was already seeing the background, the headpiece, the shoulders, and the accessories. The background color was changed and some sections of the flower were removed. The headpiece was added and blended into the background. The shoulders were skewed and blended into the first two layers. All other flowers in the headpiece and the brooch are the same flower repeated a number of ways on different layers using a variety of blend modes. The addition of the face on the final layer completed the image.